Welcome to the Rolling Empire, my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 26 Toyota luxury motorhome, a machine that's not just a mode of transport, but a rolling palace on wheels. Toyota has taken the motorhome game to a whole new level, combining futuristic design, top-tier comfort, and advanced engineering in a way that feels like stepping into the future of luxury travel. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Toyota luxury motorhome commands attention. Its exterior is a bold blend of sleek aerodynamic lines and a powerful stance, finished in high-gloss metallic paints with subtle chrome accents that catch the light beautifully. The LED matrix headlights wrap around the front, giving it a signature lighting pattern that's instantly recognizable even from a distance. Toyota's designers clearly aimed for an elegant yet commanding presence, and they've nailed it. Step inside and the real magic begins. The cabin feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle interior. Expansive panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while automated blinds offer instant privacy at the touch of a button. The living area features plush, hand-stitched leather seating with full recline and massage functions, all arranged to make the most of the spacious open-plan layout. Every surface feels premium, from the polished wood veneers to the brushed aluminum trim. Soft ambient LED lighting runs seamlessly through the cabin, adjustable in both brightness and color to set the perfect mood. The kitchen is a masterclass in luxury design and practicality. You get high-end appliances integrated so seamlessly that they look like part of the cabinetry, an induction cooktop, convection oven, built-in espresso machine, and a refrigerator that automatically adjusts cooling zones based on what's inside. Countertops are crafted from durable, high-polished quartz, and storage has been maximized with smart pull-out systems and hidden compartments. Whether you're parked by the beach or in the middle of a cross-country road trip, this kitchen lets you cook like a professional chef without compromise. Moving to the bedroom, you're greeted by a king-size bed with a memory foam and cooling gel hybrid mattress, ensuring a perfect night's sleep no matter where you are. The headboard integrates touch controls for lighting, climate, and entertainment, so you never have to leave your comfort zone to adjust the environment. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes, soft close drawers, and clever underbed storage mean you can bring a wardrobe fit for a month-long trip without feeling cramped. The ensuite bathroom rivals what you'd find in high-end hotels, with a rainfall shower, marble vanity, heated floors, and a smart mirror that can display weather updates, navigation details, or even stream your favorite shows. Entertainment and tech have always been Toyota's strengths, but in this motorhome, they've gone beyond expectations. A 65-inch retractable OLED TV anchors the living space, paired with a Dolby Atmos surround sound system. Multiple smaller displays throughout the motorhome allow for multi-zone streaming, so different passengers can watch or listen to whatever they want without interference. The onboard Wi-Fi uses a hybrid satellite and 5G system to ensure you stay connected even in the most remote locations. For navigation and driving assistance, Toyota has integrated their next-generation AI co-pilot, which can handle everything from route planning and fuel, stops to lane keeping and adaptive cruise control with near-autonomous precision. Performance-wise, the 2026 Toyota Luxury motorhome is powered by a hybrid hydrogen-electric drivetrain. This not only delivers incredible fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size, but also offers near-silent operation when running on electric mode, perfect for early morning departures from campgrounds without disturbing anyone. The adaptive air suspension makes every mile feel smooth even on rough back roads, while regenerative braking helps extend range and minimize wear. Despite its large size, maneuverability is surprisingly good, thanks to rear-wheel steering and a 360-degree camera system that makes tight spots feel far less intimidating. Toyota has also put serious emphasis on safety. You get a full suite of active and passive systems, including predictive collision avoidance, crosswind stabilization, blind spot monitoring for the entire length of the motorhome, and even automated emergency maneuvers. There's also a biometric entry system and interior motion sensors for added security when parked. Storage and utility are equally impressive. External compartments are weather sealed and designed to accommodate everything from bicycles to camping gear, with power outlets and charging stations built in. There's even a deployable side patio with an integrated awning, heating elements for chilly evenings, and ambient lighting for nighttime relaxation outdoors. Driving the 2026 Toyota luxury motorhome feels like piloting a luxury yacht on land.